Hi, this is Sandra. This is part two of the butter beans, the vegetarian style. These are the vegetarian style butter beans with the okra, butter, black pepper and salt, and seasoned to perfection with the okra. That's the vegetarian style. And we have the unvegetarian style, the okra and butter beans with smoked turkey necks. Now, when I add the smoked turkey necks, they were already done and already seasoned. So I just add them to the butter beans and let them cook about maybe 5 more minutes into the liquid. These are the butter beans with the smoked turkey necks. These butter beans are so delicious with that butter and the salt and pepper. Now, like I said with recipe, you can put anything you want in your recipe, any taste that you like. Now, this right here is ones that who don't like meat and just want to stay vegetarian. This is the butter beans right here. They got the okra that's tender and everything tastes so delicious. And then I made it a little creamy by mashing the beans on the side. And these are a little creamy also. This is a dish that you will enjoy feeding your family. And I'm glad to be assistance to help you with that. This is Sandra. I want to tell you happy eating, and I really appreciate you coming to my channel and watching my videos. This is vegetarian butter beans, and then I switched it over to the turkey necks, smoked turkey necks, and the okra and the butter beans. This is Sandra. I want to say to you happy eating.